it's my Killed Wolf. And today,
People!
yeah, Water Wolf and Jackson the dog. Oh, sorry, Jackson. I meant Jackson the wolf. Don't hit him. It was an accident. Ow! Jackson. Really? That was mean.
Oh crap, he died right behind you.
I think you lagged him off.
Jackson, don't hit me!
I'll turn it off. I'm turning it off. You've been a bad, bad puppy. Okay, so hey guys, Michaela. And today we are playing My Survival World. Now,
My cobblestone world.
yeah.
I'm delirious.
Yeah, Jackson. Lick. Ew! Ugh! Hey, Jackson. What did you just eat?
Frog flesh.
Oh, okay, Jackson, let's finish your house.
Hold on, let me get some wood.
We started making Jackson's house because I blew half of it up by mistake.
Michaela.
Creeper's brother did not like me, apparently.
You jump in it and you blow up.
Like this.
Whee!
Da, 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 da. And then I blew up.
And it said Michaela the wolf blew up.
By a creeper.
It should say Creeper Wolf's brother.
That would be nice. That's what I'm gonna name a creeper. Then I'm gonna say it blew me up. And I'm gonna see. I'm gonna test it out, guys. I'm gonna test it out.
I cause problems!
Turn yours down. It's scary.
Please shut up.
He shut up.
You shut up.
No, you shut up, Michaela.
No, you shut up.
No, you.
Awesome!
Shut up, dude.
I'm gonna let it.
Shut up, dude!
Turn yours down so it doesn't echo. Like, God. You two are the most annoying boys I could ever be around.
Fight me!
He's gonna fight you. I'll go get the
Really?
popcorn.
I'm gonna kill you.
Really? I'm gonna kill you!
I'll go get the popcorn.
Oh crap.
Here, little puppy.
Oh, he called you a little puppet.
You are a big fat man.
You are a big fat man!
Shut up. Don't be rude.
Bring it, pup.
Why did I type that?
He's a big fat man.
No. Okay, that was just scary. You guys are scary. Creepy
I'm gonna punch you in the
boys
face.
of justice. Jackson.
No, I'm gonna punch you in the face!
Jackson, this is totally gonna get me a new song. Creepy boys here justice.
Ayla, he's being mean!
Am I
A big meanie weenie dog.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Am I in charge of these little boys? Granted, I'm not the oldest here. Waterwolf is, and he's acting like a little 5-year-old. For shame. For shame.
I'm gonna sneeze.
Go away. Go away.
Guys, be quiet. I'm gonna sneeze. Hold on.
Michaela, kill him, now! Guys, be quiet, I'm gonna sneeze, hold on.
I'm not in for it.
Please.
I'm not going for it. Did you just fall?
Yes, I'm running from you guys.
I'm not gonna kill you. I can't go after you anyway. I'm trying to fix your house.
I need some help because of my hunger bars. I'm 3 hearts.
Jackson, here. Come here. Come back.
You're gonna kill me.
No, I'm dropping the sword. I'm gonna give you the sword.
I'm hot.
Run! Run! You're so hungry! Oh, you lagged. There you go.
Can you give me hungry? Can you give me bread?
Were you just trying to make out with the wall?
Can you give me food?
I don't have any food, so you're out of luck.
I'm gonna die.
You're gonna die from starvation.
I have 1 hunger bar left, and I'm gonna die.
Hey, Jackson.
Hey.
You dare me to do this? I really want to do it.
Die.
Where is he? Where is he? I'm stuck!
Water Wolf, I'm gonna kill myself. Really, Water
Water Wolf, I'm gonna kill myself. Really, Water Wolf?
Why you have a broken sword?
Give me back my armor.
Okay.
Okay.
Jackson, you're 7, so this isn't really offensive to you.
Jackson, what do you say we get Michaela?
No! Oh, crap! No!
Let's go kill
No!
Michaela.
I ran for it!
Go kill Michaela!
No! Crap! I shouldn't have said anything! Run for your life! Da 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 da! Oh, crap. Oh, no, I'm hungry! I'm starving! Oh, I should have got food when I had the chance! Why? Oh, wait, I'm running too, y'all. I'm stuck! Run! I can't run! I can't run! I can't run! Why? I can't run! I can't run!
Teleport.
Kill me!
Yeah. Teleport. Come on.
Why? No! No! I didn't get everything I did! Wait, now I'm full of hunger. Bye, you suckers! Ah! Wait, I gotta say it. Me! Ed! I'm out. I'm running. Bye, suckers! Jackson, come after me.
Hold on. Let me kill myself.
I said bye, suckers. Suckers!
Can you kill me?
I ran for it.
Water Wolf, can you kill me?
Are you teaming on gripping me here? Uh-oh.
Water Wolf, you wanna go kill Michaela?
I think
Water Wolf, you wanna go kill Michaela?
they're teaming on me. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap, guys. Oh crap.
I have no weapon in my hand.
I'm so hungry. Food.
Michaela, get back here.
No! Never!
Let's go, Michaela! Let's go kill her!
Never!
Let's go Michaela! Let's go kill her!
Where is she?
I ran.
Where is she?
I'm near a lot of flowers.
Wait, it's this way. Oh crap, I need a
I'm where are the flowers?
There are creepers by the house.
God dang it! I'm coming back. Where? No, I didn't call you a sucker. I said I called him a sucker. I called you beautiful. You're beautiful. You're handsome. Ah!
tiny pig.
Ah! Oh, could you? Oh crap. Jackson, you okay? You lagged out. No! No! Stop it again! Run! No! I can't run.
Archer, stand still.
No! I can't run.
I'll go save you after I eat this chicken.
I can't run. You gotta die.
I can run. I'm gonna help you.
I'm not gonna hurt you. You said I Justin.
Where are you going?
Ah, run! It's so hard to run.
He's gonna hurt you.
No, I have to keep running.
Please.
This is a running marathon.
Bring him to me.
Oh crap! Oh no! Help! Ah!
I saved you!
You didn't save me at all. I'm dying in this hole. I'm gonna die in here. I love you. I love you so much. You're like, I'm gonna die. And you're like, me too. You're worth to kill yourself?
Help! 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 I'll help.
Get out of my way! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, move. Move so I can. No! Move.
Come on, move. You move.
No. Ow. You just get right. Move. Oops. Well, Jackson, I could do one thing. Bye, guys. Oh, our chickens had babies. Well, they didn't have a baby, but I forgot. We have. I forgot about our pet chickens. They're not to eat, so Jackson, don't get any ideas.
I don't feed
Have a baby. Oh, so cute. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, you're so cute.
I feed him.
Oh, he's so
Let's
cute.
kill it. I'm gonna kill it.
No, don't kill them. They're our pets.
Watch this.
Well, this is torture. Wait, hold on. Come over here so we can end it. Because I'm...
No!
Please, can I end it before?
No!
Otherwise it won't go on YouTube. Anyway, guys, that was my little survival world. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm with Jackson the wolf and Water Wolf.
Shut up!
I love this too. And please keep them away from me. They're both little butts and I don't like them as much as I said I did. I hope you guys really enjoy this. Bye. Jackson, you're a little butt. You know that, right?